Perfect. This is the most beautiful design I've ever made. The developer is gonna love this.
Oh no, 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 no. Is that 100 layers for one button? How many frames are in this prototype? 200? Just to show a drop-down menu? I can barely handle a 10-frame GIF. Do you know what you've done? My browser is crying. My computer is wheezing like it just ran a marathon.
What? It's just a simple design, clean and minimal.
Clean and minimal? There's a whole city's worth of components in here. Did you design the entire internet?
Relax, it's just a few layers. You're a developer. You can handle it.
Layers? There are more layers in here than in a 7-layer dip. And don't even get me started on the hover effects. It's like a Figma theme park in here. Please, can we simplify this? Maybe just one shadow instead of 5? My CPU can't take another round of this.
Okay, I can remove one shadow, but the animated gradients stay.
Fine, but can we at least cut down the frames? I'll code your drop-down with my bare hands if I have to.
Deal, but you have to admit, it looks amazing, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. And completely unreasonable, but amazing. I'm gonna need more RAM. And maybe a miracle.
Hey, I just thought of something. What if we added one more animation?
And so the never-ending battle between design and development continues. Like, share, and subscribe if you can relate.